If you want to improve your overall health, you must take good care of your kidneys. One simple but effective way to do so is to try a 2-day kidney cleanse to help flush toxins out of your system. And that is the topic of this video. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. But it goes without saying that the kidneys are one of the most essential organs in the human body. They help remove waste, maintain fluid balance, and filter minerals and toxins in the blood. This is why we must focus on taking good care of our kidneys and urinary system. As previously mentioned, a 2-day kidney cleanse may be an effective way to enhance the health of your urinary system. This is a technique that can be implemented where you set aside a 2-day time period where you only consume foods and liquids that are optimal for your kidneys. As I mentioned earlier, your kidneys act as the filtration system for the body by removing toxins and waste. During this short time period, by taking in only the most optimal nutrients, your kidneys can truly flush out the excess toxins in the body to get your renal system in the most optimal condition. This diet can include any combination of juices, teas, herbs, smoothies, and foods that only work to improve the overall health of your kidneys. Some examples include green tea, beets, blueberries, cauliflower, garlic, olive oil, arugula, and bell peppers. Keep in mind that the NCCIH states that there isn't any clinical evidence to suggest that these cleansing programs are effective. However, anecdotal experiences from individuals seem to have good results. But just to be safe, as always, it's best to check with your doctor first, especially if you have any type of underlying condition. However, most of us can probably keep our kidneys in optimal shape simply by eating a healthy diet and drinking plenty of water. But just another reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. But real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully what you learned in this video was useful and can help improve the health of your kidneys over time. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to dive even deeper, we do have a full guide on our website. I will drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.